Hello, this is Molly Billy reporting on weather conditions from Bethel, Alaska. My observation station is outside my front yard, located at 60.804222 degrees north, 161.783778 degrees west, facing north. My observation station is surrounded by houses and roads. My yard is on a flat area positioned on the northeast part of Bethel's center station. The Kuskokwim River is south from my observation station, and it is 50 miles upriver from where the river flows into Kuskokwim Bay. The Killbuck Mountains loom up to the east of Bethel. The closest mountain is Three Step Mountain, which is about 29 miles southeast from here. Bethel is located southwest of the west center of Alaska, south central part of Alaska. I made my indoor observation in my house on January 21, 2020 at 9:50 p.m. Standard Time. The probe on the left digital thermometer at 61.1 degrees Fahrenheit, 16.12 degrees Celsius. The probe on the right digital thermometer at 65.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 18.6 degrees Celsius. The other thermometer that is inside my home read 68.9 degrees Fahrenheit, 20.5 degrees Celsius. The barometric pressure on my sun altimeter 202 was 1006 millibar, 755 millimeters of mercury. Outside, at my observation station, I measured the compass direction from my station faces at 282 degrees. On January 21, 2020 at 10:20 p.m. Standard Time, the probe on the left digital thermometer at 12.2 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 11 degrees Celsius. The probe on the right digital thermometer at 12.4 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 10.9 degrees Celsius. The wind was southwest at Beaufort of number 5. It was partially cloudy with a cloud type of altocumulus mixing into some altostratus. We had a snow flurry with gray clouds. The visibility was 10 miles. The snow flurries were angled north, and my breath was angled toward north as well, although the wind was southwest at Beaufort of number 5. The barometric pressure was higher than the indoor pressure with 1016 millibars, 762 millimeters mercury because of the temperature change.